Hello again. I very much doubt if anybody is the least bit surprised to discover that the plan to send asylum seekers to Rwanda has now been declared unlawful. As I pointed out before, even if we had managed to send anybody there, we had agreed with Rwanda that we would take some of their refugees in exchange. It would not have reduced immigration at all. It was never intended to. It was a publicity stunt. What people in this country are concerned about is immigration, not whether it is asylum seekers or Chinese people from Hong Kong or Afghans who were helping our army or Nigerian students or Indians filling specialised jobs. It is immigration in general which most people would like to see reduced, not this or that category or ethnicity. The fact is there are simply too many people in this country of ours. Asylum seekers and illegal immigrants make up less than 10% of the immigrants to Britain. The rest are international students, which is a big racket in itself, and people who are taking up jobs. We could stop all that tomorrow if we wished, without fooling around with passing a new law and getting embroiled with the Supreme Court. The whole business with the small boats and Rwanda and the European Convention on Human Rights is a staged distraction. It is thought that as long as we can be sidetracked into thinking that it is the unelected judges who are preventing us stopping immigration, or the Convention on Human Rights, or Europe and all the rest of it, we will not consider the real problem, which is that last year 600,000 more people came to live in this country than left it, and about 95% of them came quite legally. This figure is likely to rise dramatically in the next year. There is absolutely nothing to prevent the government cracking down on international students without violating anybody's human rights. Everybody knows that this is a huge racket whereby people come here theoretically to study and then stay forever together with the family they brought with them. Forget about Rwanda. Forget about the European Convention of Human Rights, the small boats and all the rest of it. If the government wished to halt further immigration to Britain, they could do so without any difficulty at all and without falling foul of the Supreme Court. They have not done so because they don't wish to reduce immigration, and that's the fact of the matter. We've been misled and misdirected.